Hello work-study students. This quick video is going to walk you through applying to work-study positions. We're going to start our navigation from the Loyola homepage, which is just loino.edu. From there you can log into your Handshake account a few different ways. The first one being the single sign-on portal located in the top right corner of the Loyola University homepage. The second is to simply enter the Handshake URL loino.joinhandshake.com. Once you've logged into your Handshake profile, we encourage you to take a moment and update your student profile. This might include adding a picture or adding a brief bio or any work experiences that you want your future work-study supervisor to know about. Once you've done that, you can navigate to the job search dashboard by clicking on the Jobs tab located in the top left corner. From there, you can navigate to the work-study positions available to you by clicking on All Filters. Here, you'll simply click Work-Study. This will populate all of the work-study positions that you're eligible to apply to. You can scroll through the job listings using the toggle feature on the left. And once you've identified a job that sounds interesting to you, you can click on it and learn more about the role. For example, this peer writing tutor is located in the Office of Writing and Learning Services. You can scroll down to learn more about the role in the description. Once you've decided that you want to apply, you can simply click Quick Apply and Submit Application. You'll get a green box in the bottom corner notifying you that your application has been submitted and is now sent over to the work-study supervisor. You'll know that you've successfully submitted your work-study application because you'll receive an email in your inbox notifying you that your application is confirmed. This does not mean that you're hired, but just that your application has been submitted. We're excited to have you join the Wolfpack team in our work-study program. If you have any questions, you can contact the Career Center or email studentemployment@loino.edu.